Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you over 100 of the cutest crochet and knit patterns inspired by Avatar: The Last Airbender. All of these patterns are completely free, so if you see one that you'd like to make, then you'll be able to find the link in the description. And while I show you all of these amazing patterns, I'm going to be sewing together both panels of my strawberry tote bag. I'm going to be splitting up all of the patterns into different categories. And first up we have amigurumi. We're going to be starting with all of the different appa patterns. These first two are on the smaller side, which is very cute. And this next one is a lot bigger and extremely fluffy, and it's by Turtle and Bird Creations. We have 3 final sky bisons, and I love how unique these are. Next we're moving on to all of the different Aang plushies, which are all very cute. Now we have soccer, and I absolutely love this first one. The pattern is called Pocket Soccer and it's by Soupy Beans. We also have a few more different patterns for soccer, and a couple for Katara as well. Next we have Toph, and I think that all 3 of these are completely adorable, and I'll definitely be making the second one. We have lots of different Zuko patterns, and I think that all of these are incredibly detailed. And the next pattern is one of the best things I've ever seen. It's a Zuko turtle duck, and it's designed by Alyssa Cassidy. This cute Suki is by 53 Stitches. And now we have some amazing Momo patterns. And as you can see, the size of these finished patterns varies a lot. For the final patterns in this category, we have 3 adorable turtle ducks. Our next category is accessories and decorations. And the first pattern is my Sky Bison tote bag, which you can find for free over on my Ko-fi. Next we have these really cool element symbol blankets. The first one looks like corner to corner crochet, and for the second one the squares seem to all be done separately and then crocheted together with a border at the end. The last pattern in this category are these super tiny and cute versions of Zuko's clothes. Moving on to the actual clothes category, we have lots of really fun patterns. The first being this amazing Aang jumper, which is by Knit by Callie on YouTube. Next we have 2 different Aang arrow beanies, and 4 different appa bucket hats. I really like that even though all of these patterns have the same concept, they're all unique and have different shapes and features. Next is a walkthrough on how to make Katara's Fire Nation outfit. And then we have another video tutorial. This one shows you how to crochet Katara's necklace. Next is a pattern for Toph's headband. Finally, we have these amazing cosplay patterns by Earthtrix. These are hooded vests inspired by the different nations. They are also incredibly creative, and the pattern also includes an adorable appa version. Next up, I'm going to go through all of the different knitting patterns that I found. And to start, we have these 2 adorable beanies. The appa hat is designed by Leslie Brownlee, and the Aang hat is designed by Sarah Galley. Next we have 2 different Aang-inspired fingerless gloves. I love the different colour palettes and think that they're both very cool. For our last knitting pattern, we have all of the different elements in one square. It's like a knitted tapestry, and I think that it would make a great decoration. For our final category, we have tapestries, and these are super easy to make. All you need to do is 1 single crochet for each pixel in the grid. And to just warn you now, I've found a lot of them. We're starting off with 2 different Avatar: The Last Airbender logos, and then we're moving on to a bunch of different Aang grids. These next 2 are so detailed and colourful, I think they would look amazing crocheted. We have some grids of a few of the previous avatars, some of Katara, and then some Zuko grids. This Zuko in a Totoro outfit is probably my favourite grid in this entire video. I just think it's so cute. We have a Blue Spirit mask grid. I think that this could look really good crocheted, especially if you made it into a pillow. We have a couple of Azula, and some of Iroh. The next character we have is Toph. And then we have grids of Sokka and Suki. There are plenty of APA grids and all of these are super cute. And we also have a Momo and turtle duck. There are some really cool grids for the moon and ocean spirit fish, and lots of different ones for each nation. I love these two versions of the Jasmine Dragon logo, and for our final tapestries we have lots of super cute bookmark grids. These would make really cute, easy and quick presents if you have a friend who reads and also loves the show. Those were all of the crochet and knit patterns that I found. If you're going to make any of these patterns, then let me know down in the comments. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another free pattern video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.